And for those of una where they insult Hausa people say na beggars, una see say Igbo people don't enjoy and they don't advance the business. Let's appreciate the Igbo community.
Ndewonu ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ndị ọma njem anụ ekelekwa m unu. Ebe nsi ewetara unu ozi a bụ n'ụlọ ozi ndị sim.si ha asịrị FM. Aka m bụkwa nwanne gị nwoke 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. Ihe onyonyo a ị na-ahụ n'iru ebe a bụ ihe onyonyo nke si na ụlọ ozi Human Rights Family Radio nke ama dịka Reconnecting Family nke onye isi ha bụ Ahmed Isa, bụ onye nke ama dịka Ordinary President wee pụta. Ma ya bụ ihe onyonyo na-egosi ụmụ nwanyị anọ ndị Igbo bụ ndị ejidere n'ihe gbasara iji ụmụaka wee kpaa ego bụ nke ama dịka child trafficking. Ha bụ ụmụ nwaanyị anọ bụ ndị kọwara onwe ha dịka ndị steeti Imo. Dịka ha siri wee kọwa, ha sị na ọ na-abụ ha gaa na ha laa ụlọ na ala Igbo, ha ga kpọta ụmụaka ahụ wee pụta na Abuja chifo ụbọchị ọbụla. Ha ewepụta mkpara, kechie, mechie anya ha, techee ụfọdụ ihe etemete ha na-ete dịka ndị kpuru isi. Ụmụaka ewere mkpara na-akpọgharị ha wee na-arịọ ego. Ma kedụkwanụ ka ya bụ ihe si wee gbakwuo? Nwata nwoke nke a ị na-ahụ ebe a bụ onye a kọwara na ọ bụ onye nọgidere wee gbabata na ụlọ ahịa ebe nwanne anyị nwoke, o nwere onye okenye bụ nna nọ ebe ahụ. Onye nke si na ya bụ nwata nwoke nọgidere wee gbabata na ụlọ ahịa ebe ọ na-ere ahịa wee sị ya biko ya zọpụta ya zọpụta ya sị ya kedu ihe na-eme. Ọ sị na nwaanyị ya nọ n'aka ya, na ọ bịara kpọrọ ya na be nne ya, na ọ sị na ọ na-akpọ ya aga Port Harcourt ebe ya ga-arụ ọrụ, mana ọ kpọrọ ya bịazie ebe a ọ bụrụ arịrịọ ka akpọ ya arịọ. Ya bụ nwoke asị ya kedu nwaanyị nwa, ọ tụọrọ ya aka. Ka a na-ekwu nwaanyị abatala wee chụrụ nwata wee bata, kedu nwa be ya, kedu nwa ya. Ya jụọ nwaanyị kedu onye nwa bụ, ọ sị na nwa ya. Ọ sị nwata ngwa gị bịa ka ha pụwa. Nwata sị ya na ọ naghị apụzi. Nwoke asị ya na ịgwabeghị eziokwu ihe gbasara nwa, na ị ga-aga ka ichieta azụ na mgbede, na nwa sị na ọ naghị apụzi. Ọ sị na ya jụrụ nwata kedu ị makwara akara ekwentị nne gị na nna gị. Ha sị nwata eweta akara ekwentị nne ya na nna ya akpọ. O wee bụrụ na ọ gaghị, nwoke ahụ ewee jidekwa nwata ahụ dowe ya na ụlọ ahịa ya wee kpọwazie ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ndị nọ ebe ahụ. Ha wee gbakọzi isi ọnụ wee kpọwa ndị ọrụ nchekwa. Ha bụ ndị ọrụ nchekwa wee bịazie kpọrọ ya bụ nwata si n'aka ya bụ nwata. O wee tụzie aka ka ha si wee jidezie ụmụ nwaanyị anọ ndị ahụ. Otu n'ime ha dị ime, ebe nke ọzọ kụkwana nwa n'aka, nwoke n'aka. Amabeghị ma ọ bụ ya mụrụ ka ọgwanụ ka ha si wee na-ekuru nwa wee na-aga arịọ arịrịọ, maka na ha bụ ndị ụmụafọ Igbo ndị nọ na gburugburu ebe ahụ si na ha na-enyo ụdị ndị a enyo na ọ ga-abụ na ha na-ere ụmụaka, maka na onye ọbụla n'ime ha ịjụrụ kedu ịmụọla nwa, ọ sị gị kedu ebe nwa gị nọ, ọ sị na ọ kpọnyere ya mmadụ ka ọ zụwa na ya aka adịghị ya. Ha na-ajụzi kedu ka isi akpọnye mmadụ nwa gị ka ọ zụwa na aka adịghị gị, mana ịkpọ ụmụ nke onye ọzọ arịọ ego. O wee bụrụ na ọ na-adị ka a ga-asị na aka ha bụ ndị ejidere dịkwa n'izuru na ire ụmụaka. Ogologo kwa dị mmanụ ka mgbede. Ya mere buru oche gị kpụdobe nso ma nọrọ ala ka anyị anya na ya bụ ihe onyonyo ma nụrụ ka ha si wee kọọ ya bụ akụkọ n'ụlọ ozi ndị Reconnecting Family. Ma ya bụ ihe onyonyo tokwara ogologo, ya mere ọ ga-adị mma ma ọ bụrụ na ị ga-ewepụtatụ oge wee kirie ya wee ruo n'isi, maka na ihe na-emezi na ụwa ugbu a na ụfọdụ ihe ndị ụmụ nwanne anyị mụtaziri ugbu a bụzi ihe dị njọ. Ya mere asịla na Solex sị kama lere onyonyo ya.
And for those of una where they insult Hausa people say na beggars, una see say Igbo people don't enjoy and they don't advance the business. Let's appreciate the Igbo community. Because the same me here, I don't talk many times, say Hausa people, now then they lead for begging. I never talk here. Yes, say if they want to do election for president of beggars, say na Northerner go come president. I say na Northern go be vice president. I say na Northern go be organizing secretary. I say the only position where Igbo people person go carry na treasurer because money dey inside. Good morning, sir. We have some community members from Angwanshahu, Karimu. They have succeeded in catching some women who specialize in stealing little children from 1 year above to the other states. They would teach the children to pretend to be sick or blind in order to beg. The Vigilante group of Nigeria's special squad of
as well as the Igbo community.
Well as Igbo community are outside with the women for and kidnap children. May them bring them in.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, my dear. So una be the women where them catch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait first. What is this now? The community leaders. Madam, shift this way first. Yes. Una go introduce yourselves and tell us the story first.
All right. Good morning, everybody. We are the...
Go ahead, come on with your cap.
Okay.
So that we go see your face. Yes.
So we are the...
Your name now?
My name is Ike Chukwu Hyacinth.
Okay. Which area you they live?
I live for Amwashe Karimo, Abuja.
Okay. Waiting carry una come this morning?
The case that carry us come here this morning is because of this woman that carry these two boys from their village come Abuja. So on the contrary, we don't know. But on the process, this one have been 2 years with one of them. This one is bearing on 6 months. So after a while, this one went to a shop of one of our elder here, this man, Mr. Johnson, now to buy chewing gum. They started beating the guy. The guy started crying. Though when the man, this our elder, asked him, what is the problem? This guy started narrating, asking our elder to help him. That he don't know where he did it. They asked him that the parents that they are taking him to Port Harcourt to sell okrika. And now they carry him. Just relax. Real video. Come Abuja here. And what they did in the morning, then dress like they are sick or blind. They will carry these boys. These boys will carry them for hand. They will be begging. If they do finish, then come back. The next day, then continue. Do you understand? So this our elder now inform us. We inform the community, the vigilantes. Then the vigilantes now take over. Before then, they are trying to arrest them. Two of them ran away. Even on the process, one of them pushed our elder down because he want to escape. They finally escape. We catch one. Then when we catch this vigilante catch one, then they now try to investigate from that very one. Then they use their own method of security to know the area they are. Okay. They catch one from Idu. Then when they catch the other one from Idu, they now hear that the other two is now in Bobrada. They have bought ticket to run. Then the vigilante are now arranged again on their process how to they do their own work. With Chatham Motor, they go there. They arrested.
Thank you. Make we appreciate the vigilante. We go come back to vigilante. Daddy, come front. Okay? Give a chance. Okay. Daddy, come front. Yes. You know, make a hold on for you. No, just face here. Daddy, waiting be your name.
My name is Johnson Ogudu.
Okay. Waiting be the thing we carry una come this morning.
Waiting carry us come, sir. But be that on Saturday morning, I did my shop. So this boy.
Which one? Okay, this one.
He run to me.
Great me. I no go block the.
Great me. Good mornings. I answer. He said, "I beg, make I help."
If you know, say now you be the parents of these children. Make una show their faces well, so that the parents go come. Make we reconnect them with their parents, with their children. Make una come, see them. We go even zoom on their faces later so that we go show. If you not sabi their parents, make una let us know. So continue, Daddy.
So the boy say make I help him. Call the mother. Then I ask and say, call your mother by how? Where your mother dey? Tell me, he say the mother dey village. What in your mother dey village they do? You dey here? Who you dey with? You dey with your mother sister? He say no. You get your one auntie. Where you dey with? One auntie. What you na dey do? He say what you dey do? He no like him. He don't tell where they plan to go, but no way to go. Even if he when then they talk with the mother, if he want, if he ask him to give him handset, he no go agree give him. Then that is why he come to me say, make I help him call the mother. I ask him say, do you know me? He say, yes. How he know me is that he they come from my shop and buy something. Then I tell him say, okay. Now him I call the number. When I call the number, the mother answer me.
Which number?
The mama number.
Okay. He carry the phone.
He carry him for head.
Let's appreciate this child.
He carry him for head. If you ask him now, we go call the number for you.
He carry him mama phone number for head.
He carry him for head. So he called the number. Immediately he called the number. I called the woman. Unfortunately, she pick. I greet her.
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
luckily she can't pick.
Luckily, so she pick. Me and her talk. I tell her say make she talk with the pikin. Then now I carry the handset to give the pikin. Then begin the talk. He begin they tell am wetin dey happen with them. Then when they talk finish, so I correct my handset. Call am, madam. Now your pikin be this. He say yes, na him pikin. I tell am say find your pikin come. Your pikin no feel fine here. When in there, he no feel fine. He say he no know road and he no get the money to come. If I know wetin I can do.
Which state she thought she did?
Imo State.
Okay.
So if I know how I go use to help him, make I help him. I
Please
tell am say okay.
Separate these women.
Madam, do you know me?
That side.
Do you know me?
Madam,
he said you
go
don't know
that
me.
side.
I beg if
I said
know.
go that side.
I
No,
beg.
don't worry.
He said I
go
beg
collect.
if I know how I
You
go
go
use
that
to
side.
help him. Make I help him. Now, I tell this boy.
Stay there.
I tell this boy to wait. The boy wait. I call Igbo chief. I call him. Table this matter to him. So say make a round up. He say okay. He go come back in the evening. So I come out. The 400 naira were there with me. I carry and give this boy. Why I ask and say, have you eaten anything since morning? He say he never eat. I carry the 400 naira, give and say, go buy akara here. Because then they sell akara in front of my shop. Then go buy akara. He carry 200, buy akara. Carry 200, buy bread. Come chop. I give him water. He drink. So when I come out,
Look at all for you. No worries. Sir.
when I come out, then I did. This one,
Which
find
one?
this woman. He find me come. Then when he come, he see this boy from my shop. He ask and say, what thing they do? Come make them go now. The boy no agree. He talk. The boy no agree. Now I tell and say, madam, go. As the boy no agree follow you. Come in the evening. So he can't go. Now I come out. When I come back from this boy, I hear say, then she come with this one.
Come front now. The matter don't reach your side.
She come with two of them come. When they come, now I come the hear waiting then they talk. I ask and say, what thing happen? If they tell this one, make them go. I say, what thing happen? He say, carry money, 50 naira, buy chewing-gum. Now he say that he ask him, he no agree, say that him buy him. He say, now one boy, where they my side, where they sell water, because then they say water inside
Now
by
him
the
tell
side
them
of
say
me.
he carry he buy the chewing gum.
No, now the boy give say this one say now the boy give him the chewing gum. He come in order to confirm whether na
Madam.
the boy give him chewing gum. But as he come confirm, ask the boy say
The boy talks say no be hingi.
no be hingi.
Okay, thank you very much, Elder. Yes, next person, please. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
May God bless all of us in Jesus' name.
Amen. What be your name? Where
My
are you
name
from?
is Chief Abraham Ifai Chuku Ona. I'm the chief of Igbo in Angwashao. Where they brought this matter to me, this our elder man called me around 10 o'clock in the morning. So look at what is happening. I said, let him run to Vigilante office. I make sure everything there okay. When I came back, sir, I see this my boy. I see this woman. Only this one. I said, what are the others? They said they have run away. I said, they have run away. Before I know, I called chairman. My chairman have to mobilize taxi to Gogolada. They have bought a ticket to travel. They run these children. They leave those children for us. In Angwashao.
But they won't escape.
They have already escaped. Their gather must go inside our village, sir. By permission. So they have already escaped. So when we bought this one, we have to use intelligent diplomatic with this boy. We say, oh, this boy, we have settled the matter. We have paid themselves 5,000. They now give this girl link that they already bought a ticket in Gogolada. They are going there. This girl, so formally, we are trying to travel. We bought with this boy with Vigilante commander. On that terminus in Gogolada, my Vigilante officers with this one. They went there.
Go outside.
They have bought a ticket already. They have bought a ticket already.
Now. Just they go.
They have bought a ticket already, and they have to move. By grace of God, this commander went there, meet the terminal security. That's what I go. Then got.
They can't arrest them.
They can't arrest them.
Thank you very
When
much.
they arrest them, we are on the way. They said they are coming back. They are coming back. When they came back, we continue investigation. We found out that among all of them here, they got the children, but this one came 6 months. This one is 2 years now in Angwashao.
So-
No school, nothing.
So other people, children, will recover from
Their
them.
own, they have said that what we discover, my brother, I cannot tell you lie. If I said lie, ladies,
Just go straight to the point.
okay. What we discover is that their own children is not with them. But on our investigation tell us that's one that woman in that Imo state is a guy woman. Is the one boughting those children, they give the children to this one. This one come with
It's
them.
okay.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No worry. No.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Your name now.
Good morning. My name is Ifeanyi Emeka. What happened be say as that Saturday they call me say something that happened say because I would take care of the security for that side. When we come out, we have say only this one we see. We can't ask them about this. Then make I just cut the story short.
No cut and short. Talk
So the thing as from waiting happen when they go, we don't go bring the same day. We don't go carry the rest, carry all of them come. Now I start to ask them little questions. What make me they suspicious? Why I say we go bring them come authority, come here make we know, because at the end of the day we ask this one when you own Pekin. This one say he get 2 children. Where your children? He say he give am somebody for Port Harcourt. Okay, you give person your own children where you born when you no fit take care of them for Port Harcourt. Then you can't carry another person Pekin. What did they do with them? We ask the other this one. This one say he born before he say no only 3. Later we find out say he don't born only up to 6 children. Where your children there? He say in fact we start to the suspect say then they say children because you cannot have your own children give person then say no fit take care of them.
Come carry other people.
Other
children.
people. And again, when we ask them, where is the phone number of the person where you
The
give them
parents.
pikin? No, the person where they give their own picking, they say they know who the phone number. Okay, when they talk with them, they say they know who.
Okay.
Then this one, where is the other slim one?
Yeah, I say should they pinch her
No,
daughter?
no. Okay, this one. Before we ask him, he say he no born pikin, no born any pikin. But from investigation, we find out say she don't born. Where the pikin dey, nobody know. So
Madam, you dey whisper. Be careful, oh.
Waiting.
I say be careful, oh.
so
Just
thank
be
you, sir.
careful. Thank you very much. Commander Vigilante, over to you, sir.
Good morning, sirs. We are the Vigilante Group of Nigeria Special Squad. When the message came to my office, I have to order my men, please, whenever where you are, turn up. There is an emergency concerning child traffic, and this is not our case. It's a case that we can deliver well and make sure we report to international radio community and others. Then I said, okay, fine. How do we go about it? I said, okay, fine. As long as the Igbo community have brought this very young man and this woman, what we are going to do, we'll use this boy and get the rest whenever where they move. They ask me, are you sure that you can? I say, don't worry, I know what to do. Leave the job for me. The next thing I do, I have to call this woman in my office, call this boy in my office. Later, I ask my man, take this woman out. Let me interrogate this guy. When I'm interrogating this guy, he said, uncle, please help me. My brother is still with them. He cannot be able to bear this, that they are treating him very bad. I don't even know that they are coming to Abuja. And they always pretend that they are blind, using them to make money. I say, are you the only one alone? He said, no, there are other people. I say, where are the other people? He said, he cannot give account. Whether they have sold them or they have died, he can't give account. I say, relax, don't say this more than this again. Hold yourself. I promise you, I will give you justice. He said, uncle, please, help me. This young boy keep on saying, help me. I said, okay, fine. Where is your mother? He said, the mother is not in Abuja. Where is your father? I said, the father is not in Abuja. I said, okay, do you have your father number? He said, yes. Do you have your father number offer? He said, yes. I said, okay, give me your father number. And now use my phone, type the father number. When I type the father number, it happened that the number ring, no one pick it. I said, where is your mother? He said, the mother is using the same phone with the father. I said, it's all right. I have to use our own strategies. Shift this guy, invite this woman. I said, madam, do you know me very well? He said, yes. I said, do you know I don't tolerate nonsense? I am a Vigilante Group of Nigeria Special Squad. Cause trouble. Commander, good luck. Cause trouble. If you want peace, I give you peace. If you want war, I give you war. Can you tell me exactly what happened? He began to narrate that this is the younger sister.
Of who?
This auntie. That this is his own younger sister.
Her own younger sister.
Yeah, the same mother, the same father. And she's the one that brought this boy. I said, okay, where is her now? He said, she have run away. Now? He said, yes. Now? I said, yes. He said, if you don't want me to jail you, tell me how we can get your sister. He said, he's calling the sister, he's not picking call. He now called the sister, he's ringing, he's not picking call. Then later, I finally pick the call, start instructing and say, you be mumu. Why you go allow vigilante to arrest you? Why you no fear escape? You too dull. I say, control yourself.
Now this one they talk so.
This one was harassing this one. In my office. I say, calm down. Don't follow, don't retaliate. Follow her gradually. Now, end of the day, I now tell her, call her back, tell her that you have bailed yourself with sum of 5,000 naira. The matter has been resolved. So you people are coming to continue una joining. You have finally escaped. Because when they heard that vigilante is coming, all of them bundled their bag. Leave that room. Take off. I said, no. This is foul play. Automatically means these people have been going.
You know, these kind of people, based on the reports where we don't they get before. Yes, sir. Now then go come rent house inside una compound. Yes, with somebody where go come to their husband. Yes, after they receive our children with biscuit and chewing gum. One day, pia. Yes, now their formula be that chief no be so. Yes, continue, Commander.
So when I talk to this woman, say, calm down. I'm going to set you free. If you can able to get
so
me
now
the
she
other
tell
person.
una strike.
I'm coming. Then end of the day now, he begin call this woman husband.
That other one wey pinch her pikin make she come back. If the pikin dey cry, we go carry the pikin outside, then she go remain inside. When she see say we dey talk here, she wan distract us. Now she pinch the pikin for belle.
Yes, sir.
So now, when he call this woman husband, this woman don't have phone, but she has her number, her husband phone number off head. So she now ran to Idu.
Now together they do the business,
yes,
all of them.
This woman now ran to Idu, leave the
Agwansha. Cry here, they go carry him outside, you go remain inside.
She now leave the Agwansha village and go to Idu community. So she went to back of police station, hide with this one.
Back of filling station. This one where you just enter now.
No, this very one. This one that pregnant. She went with this one and with this one. With the little one she has at hand, the other one. The other 1 year hand. So when I should continue.
Buy and food, no be her pikin.
Yes, sir.
Now pikin where she thief. Oh yeah, come out now.
Mother, confront. So
Now children where they thief.
Yes, sir.
So I should continue.
The connection is not there.
Yes, sir.
There is no bonding.
No bonding.
I should continue.
Continue, sir.
So end of the day,
Wait, announcement. Anybody where in Pekin lost where they thief in Pekin, come to Abuja. We don't catch the people we carry una Pekin. If the Pekin not there for ground, then know where they sell your Pekin. Yes. Announcement. Yes.
So end of the day, when this pregnant woman with 1 year and
she looked pregnant. You are not sure whether she is pregnant.
According to her, that she's pregnant. So when we go there, this
way they press belly. No, I don't. Yeah. You say? I don't get belly. Oh, okay. Nah, Tumbi. So continue.
This very boy is the same father with this one.
No worry.
So they now take this very one now with this one. And with the little child he has at hand, they now went, this is the filling station, they go the other side.
For back of the filling station.
So, and that's okay, well, you stay at the back. Let the vigilante ladies move at the front. As soon as you're going there, remove your cap, disguise yourself. Then one now, follow this lady at the back. Our vigilante lady. Follow this one at the back with motorcycle, so we don't want to go with vehicle. Go with the motorcycle. Follow her in form of a car that is going with
them for
people.
the back of the filling station.
So this one now, the husband of this woman have directed her where to go. So as soon as they go close to the filling station, he now saw her, call her auntie. So she now stop going to meet the auntie with this very boy. So now my vigilante officer now strike, give a call, will now appear there, arrest.
Why would I not arrest the husband too?
He refused to show face till now.
All of them will show face.
Now, the husband have been calling this lady off. I seize this lady phone. Then when I seize the phone, if she want to make contact, I will say, this is what you will answer. Tell them that you are coming.
No worry. Make we know, because when I see this arrest, is a very big arrest.
Yes, sir.
Now, I am challenging the Inspector General of Police, the DG DSS, and the DG NIA. Of course, NAPTIP don't die. They are not working. If not be so, I for talk say NAPTIP. Although they don't get new leadership, but we don't know how effective the new leadership of the NAPTIP did. If NAPTIP they work, we they involve NAPTIP. If NAPTIP no they work, Gender Department of the Nigerian Police, Gender Department of Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Gender Department of DSS and NIA, whether we get Gender Department, we no get, this is something that requires mekuna put hand. Only God know how many children these people don't thief. Yes, they are a syndicate. Yes, now group them be. But you see, my people they talk say many days for the thief.
1 day for the owner.
And when I say no sign of remorsefulness for their faces.
No.
You know why? When I remember one way where I exposed for this town, where the then minister of FCT, because they carry the children come minister's office. Yes, so in contact say na embarrassment because foreign visitors come visit them, they see them, he say make them carry the children back. As at the time where we they do this matter, they say more than 4 senior advocates of Nigeria don't go to stand for the woman. This time around, any senior advocate will come, we identify them, we go expose them.
Yes, sir.
Anybody we identify with these people, we expose them. Yes. We they ready to face the man in court, but we go expose them. And anybody we support these people, may his children go missing. Amen. May he never see them again. Amen. Anybody we support these people. Now, it be like say amongst them all. Now this one no get problem too much. Yeah. Abi?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, it doesn't really matter for you to commit and say, yes, truly, I have committed. Even for court, the judge, the judge go get mercy on you. Yes, sir. Then when you suffer the court. At the end of the day, they can't discover, say, you go face the anger of the judge. Now, una we carry out this operation. As I talk, say, it be like say, na she be the nicest person. All of una admit and confirm. Simple. Madam, good morning, ma.
Good morning, sir.
Wetin be your name, ma?
My name is Ngozi Onukwa.
Ngozi Onukwa. Which state you from?
Imo State.
Imo State. Which local government?
Mbitoli Kedu.
Which village?
Alenyogwa.
Which family?
Onukwa family.
Wetin be una clan name? Okay, you don't know that one. No
my
worry.
clan.
Your clan. Oh, no worry. For how long you done there, Abuja?
Don't reach 5 years we are to Abuja.
Okay. And which area and which area and which area you don't live?
Only Obasha when I don't live.
Which kind of work you they do?
Only beg now they beg.
You they beg for 5 years.
I need a thief best speaking.
Okay. So this pikin where they your hand, how you take get them?
Na person I give me my mother, my grandmother, I give me the mother, I give me the pikin.
Where then they?
Then they village.
Which village?
Uguta,
Ukuta. For which state?
Imo State.
Imo State. How old the pikin be when they give you the pikin? How many age he be?
The time where they give me the 5 years.
He did 5 years. They give you the pikin. Okay. So, wetin you they use the pikin they do?
Na beg and I dey carry am dey beg.
How you they use and they beg?
I will just hold am dey beg.
With your eye open, abi you they close your eye,
I
say
dey
you
close
dey,
my eye.
say you don't blind. Then even go carry you, they walk around. Abi? Okay. Since that 5 years, how many times do you don't carry this pikin go see him mama and grandmama?
That 5 years, no be the 5 years wey me with am too.
Okay, you dey with somebody.
Na my pikin na I dey carry that time before.
Wait.
I can't carry Jesus.
How many years this one don't dey with you?
2 years. 9
2
don't
years.
dey for me.
Okay, 2 years. And then these 2 years, how many times he don't go see him parents?
Never see him parents. Na money na I dey send the parents.
How much you they send to him? Because we go call the parents to make we confirm.
Yes.
How much you they send to them?
Sometimes they send 15,000. Sometimes 10,000.
Every week?
No, every month.
Okay, okay.
So the other one where I sent last, and okay.
Market, no market.
So I can't send 7,000 for her.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. Any other thing where you want to tell us?
Another thing where I want to tell us, I need a thief pikin. Since when I start this, some people know me. Oh, I need a thief pikin. Now because of I don't get help, I just want my sister them. When they do like that, now because of condition, no help. Who can help us? That make they do this kind of thing. Then a person like teach us. Who can they do? May we carry help us ourselves.
Okay.
And I make.
It's okay. Sorry, ma. You can step back, ma. Go back. You see, my brothers, my sisters, when I hear in the course of our conversation, now somebody sit back, please. Sit back. You dey come on, block camera. Now in the course of the narration, when I hear say now somebody teach them, that somebody did there. They somewhere. Madam, come. Wetin be your name? Your name now?
Favor.
Favor who?
Oyebulem.
Okay. Which state you from?
I'm from Mbano. Then they married me to their
Which
family.
state?
From Imo State.
Which local government?
Mbano. Ehime Mbano local government.
Which village?
Umuokre. Umunomo.
Umo.
Umuokre Umunomo.
Wetin be una family name?
Naike.
Ike. Ike family.
Yes.
So if I enter that village, say, yeah, they look for Ike, another Ike no dey there?
No.
Now only una own be the Ike family.
Yes.
Who be your father? Wetin be your father name for Ike family?
My father name na Christopher Ike.
Okay. Now him be number waiting for the family as they born them.
Na him be the last born.
Now him be the last born. So you come marry into this family.
Yes.
Now their junior brother you marry have been at their senior brother.
Na junior one.
Okay. Waiting be his name.
Chukunalo.
Okay. Which work in they do?
He dey cut banga.
They cut banga. For where? For Abuja here?
No, for their village.
Okay.
So the money they give me. So me and my pikin, they see it. So I can't follow them. Say make I come here. It never reach 1 month where I come here. I carry my pikin. And my pikin where I carry. If I beg, I know they close eyes. If I carry my pikin, if I beg you, if you give me, I collect.
How many children you they carry go beg?
Now only my pikin. That's small one. Now it they carry.
Okay.
So if you like, you give me. If you don't like, you don't give me. I go. If you give me, I thank you.
Okay.
I don't get help. I
You see how many months now where you don't start this business?
Now only this month where I come.
Okay, who introduced you into this business?
Now them I follow come.
Who amongst them?
This one.
Okay, this one. Okay, you go back. You get anything where you want to tell us?
I don't get anything what they do. I say make I follow them. If I beg, if I bring money, I go use them help myself. If I'm business, I go use them. They use them. They feed my pikin.
Okay, thank you. Madam, what be your name?
My name is Chidima Onukwa.
Chidima.
Onukwa.
Which state you from?
From Imo State.
Which local government?
Mbitoli local government.
Which village?
Alenyowa.
Alenyowa. What be your family name?
Onukwa family.
Onukwa family. Yes. What be your father name for Onukwa family?
Ohebulem.
Ohebulem. Now I'm be number waiting for una family.
I'm be second.
Second born.
Yes.
Okay. Madam, if you like pincher, you go keep quiet, no worry. So tell us your own side of the story.
Okay. This boy, na me carry him.
Which boy?
This one.
Now you carry him?
Yes, from their village.
When can I go give them food? Give them food.
From their village, Uguta local government, Awara. So I carry him from my grandmother's hand. Na through in grandmother carry him. So na the same bag.
Where in mother day?
I don't know where in mother day, but this boy I collect him through in grandmother.
Since when?
6 months now.
6 months now.
Yes, sir.
This big boy here?
Yes, this one.
6 months?
Yes.
Now he down there with you?
Yes.
So what you they use the boy do?
At the car and they go beg.
How when they beg?
With a close eye, at the hold him.
Okay. Okay. How many children you don't use for this business?
Only 2.
Where that other one day?
The other one I carry him the same in grandmother kwa. Na him come me say ma carry him come. Na him still carry him give me. But no be the same, no be him born that one. So I still carry and go give that woman. The woman carry and give the owner.
You see, some of these children when are they here? Say they give grandmother so. Now children wait until for not. Because northern women can be so careless with their children. You understand?
Yes, sir.
When they carry them from here, when I remember the one we will recover through the Samuel Arwan during Erufai's time. Let's appreciate their administration. We recover those children. Some of them don't they speak Igbo. Yes, they don't change their names. Yes, now here they carry them come. Yes, change their mindset and everything. They go just carry. After a small time, they don't. Some of them say, if you call their real name, they go look you like say, this name resemble name where they be. Now there you go take. A whole community now they go deceive them, say they go carry their children, go give them free education for Abuja. Yes, I say, una remember? Yes, sir. Now so they pack those children, about 40 something of them. Yes, sir. Now for not, okay, even for not where we did, if you're a Yoruba woman do like 10 minutes, she knows she happy. She don't leave everything. Assalamu alaikum. One any again money tunde, but get that type. I say, madam, he say, Abengesiba. She go raise alarm. Before, even if native, before the person go far, they don't catch them. Igbo woman. If, in fact, normal Igbo woman no go far away from her child. Me, when I did small for, people tell me, when my mother did for market for Idori, she did tie me rope for leg. Yes, tie me rope for leg, can't tie to her side. Because I stubborn, even when if they no tie me rope, they go look for me, they no go see me. So Igbo woman no go even go far away from her children. Talk more of make she can't. Once she knows she her pikin, everywhere go scatter. You must produce my child. Northern women. Now the pikin, she knows him since morning. No, now in the evening when other children then they come, Mama Rabilu, ina Rabilu. Ni put that. Now can she the sape? I have been see him in the morning. No, it may be they outside they play around 6 o'clock. Then around 7:30, she go come. Why you Alana? Why you Alana? The third day, matter don't finish. She no go cry again. Only a few of them will cry again. Why? Because now another belle don't enter. Belle where the husband know they take care of the wife and the children. Not all of them, but majority of them. My brothers, my sisters, when I don't hear from these people, you never finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, finish.
So this boy grandmother, na him carry me, this boy give me, and the grandmother know wetin they do.
Okay.
And her daughter too, they do the same job. What would they do?
Okay, but you don't know the daughter.
I know the daughter.
But you say now here you talk say you don't know the daughter.
No be the same person who born this one. This one mama they different.
How many children are there with you?
No, only one.
Who?
Only him.
Now him.
Yes.
And him down there with you for how long?
6 months.
6 months.
Yes. Now the grandmother carry and give me, and the woman know where to with the work.
Okay.
Because her daughter, where she born, is like her second daughter. They do the same work.
Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, you come front. What be your name, ma?
My name is Kelechi.
Kelechi. Kelechi who?
Kelechi Silas.
Okay, which state you from?
I'm from Imo State.
Which local government?
Bitolu local government.
Which village?
Oga.
Which be una family name for the village?
Ameke.
Ameke.
Yes, sir.
If I enter the village now, no, how many Ameke there for that village?
Only one.
Okay, waiting be una father name for that family?
Ohebulam.
Okay, now him be number waiting for the family?
Second son.
Second son.
Yes, sir.
For how long you don't they do this business?
Sir, he never too day because now my picking. Now as I see say condition, my husband made me and them they won't block, but I don't born plenty children, no money to.
How many children
school.
you born?
I don't born 6 children, no money for school
fees.
fees.
The mold block now, so you the mold children. Continue.
No, sir. So I can't join them. Say my help whether I get money pay for their school fees. Even till now they hope for the school fees, but this one I carry na my own picking. I don't carry anybody picking. Na my own picking na carry. Yes.
This small girl.
Yes, na my own picking with my small one. I don't carry anybody picking. Okay. So I just use and say my help.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay. And for those of una where they insult Hausa people say na beggars, una see say Igbo people don't enjoy and they don't advance the business. Let's appreciate the Igbo community. Because the same me here, I don't talk many times. Say Hausa people now then they lead for begging. And I never talk here. Say if they want to do election for president of beggars, say Notana go come president. I say na Northern go be vice president. I say na Northern go be organizing secretary. I say the only position where Igbo person go carry na treasurer because money dey inside. You see, when they discuss serious matter, they laugh. This network large. A large well. Make we hear from my champion. When I no go clap for him, madam, please. Hey, stay here. Come back here. You know matter. You say?
Me, I know say this boy get mother number because when they use my mother number, my mother phone, they call him mother.
Okay, thank you. My dear.
Sir.
So when I no go clap for him now, ba? Make me and you walk out first. As we dey walk out, we go clap. Sit down for this chair small. Cross leg, make I see. Oh, Chineke. Cross your leg, make I see. Hey! Ngwanu, let's go. Now model be this. Okay. Sir, what be your name, sir?
My name is Chidendo. My English name is David.
Your name is Chidendo. Your English name is David.
Yes, sir.
Wake you Goliath for Bible.
Yes, sir.
Chidendo.
Sir.
Tell us your story, sir. What happen? How you take enter this woman hand?
It's from my grandma hand.
Mm-hmm.
Because of that is my grandma. That is her job that he used to do to get money.
Okay.
And all the people that is in the village, he has take all of them out to where they call all Umaka. If you go, you saw all my friends playing our village people in that community.
Continue, sir.
So yeah, I know. Until it's the way I was staying before. In that Umaka too.
Make this pikin sit down for that chair. You borrow me this chair outside, I beg. Make your children sit down. Oh yeah, put her here. Come out. Sit down. Two of you, sit down. Thank you. My gallant. Put her here. Yeah. My dear. Okay.
So the time I know the auntie, the person me and you was staying before.
Then they don't carry you go give another person before.
Yes, sir.
Which business that person they use you do?
That one they sell nylon na old mama.
Na old mama.
Yes.
How long you don't stay with that one?
I don't stay with her 3 years before she died.
Before she can't die.
Yes.
How she take die?
I don't know.
You just wake up one day, they say she don't die.
No, it wake up. She woke up because of she go to Lagos to look child, the first daughter that born. As she come back, she not lie down. She says she's not getting herself very well. She lie down in her husband's room. In the morning, she can't stand up again. They give her food, she throw away it. They carry her go to hospital. From hospital, taking her to another hospital. She died inside the motor.
Okay, thank you. You won't go back to your parents?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this child, sorry, my dear, needs to be protected.
Yes.
The Igbo community.
Please, this boy going back to the village based on the body language of this lady. According to him that he cannot survive it.
Okay. Now, wait.
The same father, the same mother with this junior one.
Yes, they resemble.
2 years now in Abuja, no education, nothing.
Okay, thank you. Now, the community, Igbo community, una go promise me one thing. Daddy, please come forward. Sir, we are very proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, father you be.
Thank you, sir.
For that thing where you do that day, now only man will get good heart now go do that thing.
Yes, sir.
May God continue to bless, protect, as well as improve your business. Sir.
Amen. Amen.
You see, I go like make una look for their town union. Make una involve them. You know, my challenge, sorry, sir.
Okay.
My challenge with, I'm sorry to say this, Igbo community. In the north, northerners waiting for Lagos or Anambra or Imo. If something happened to northerners away come out from Kano, Sokoto people go take decision and he go, they binding.
That is it.
Zamfara people go take decision, no problem. Nobody go to say he is not from Kano, but you know what they talk.
You are correct, sir.
Una go try something now. You, which state are you from?
I'm a mix of Baji Igbo.
Hey, well now.
Hello, sir.
Which state are you from?
I'm from Enugu State.
Which state are you from?
Kogi State.
You state.
Ebonyi State.
Now you go surprise this. Which language? Which state are you from?
I'm from Enugu State.
Anambra State.
Now good thing we won't do if it cause problem. In the history of Nigeria, now for East, just creation of state. They say Ebonyi, they create Ebonyi out of
Enugu.
They say these people made them go back to their state. People who don't serve that state for more than 28 years, they don't give them kobo. They say go to your state for them to pay you. Anambra, which one they create out of Anambra? Which other state? Imo and Abia, the same thing. So that unity, we need them for East pass money. Unity, now we need for Southeast pass money. Now, we feel do this thing now. Now make I talk, say, make una look for their town union meeting. Make them they involved. Food where these children go chop.
Yes, sir.
School where they go.
Yes, sir.
School fees.
Yes, sir.
Feeding.
Yes, sir.
Hospital.
Yes, sir.
Everything is in my head by the grace of God.
God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir.
In fact, if you go put them for school now, any school will not put them. We will confirm saying a very good school because this na bright child.
Yes, sir.
We no go carry and go where they go dull in quenching light. The fire in him must be hair pushed up.
Sir, this man have a school.
No, it's not about that. It's not about that.
Wait. You get school? Answer me, yes or
my wife get school.
That's all.
I want talk, sir. Wait, I want talk. The issue where I get for this thing be say, these children, my concern why I insisted say me will come here. Now because I want if we come, we will give justice to these children. That's number one. Number two, anybody as you talk, anybody wearing hand no day, make it go. That's why we no agree go police station for the no be say we not talk say they no go do something well. But we just I want
this place near past police station. na nearness, na in cosam. Na nearness. Wait now, madam. No be back of filling station. They go carry. You know what wrong? Wait. Gwagwalada. From Angwansha to Gwagwalada. I know. My beg from madam. Relax, please. You just say to send her for Yoruba land. No be tired for all of una head. What in they worry you? I guess excuse me, please. Make it a work out for your body. We don't know where you carry the thing where they work out for your body. You think say if to send her for Yoruba land, they just say, "Ole, eh, bomo." That's all. Not be this thing where they talk here. Say, hey, something they work out for your body. So respect yourself now because with
keep quiet.
Keep quiet. What is wrong with you? Keep your mouth shut.
That is why I say she's the only one that very rude.
Okay, no worry. Thank you very much. Thank you. When I go carry them.
Yes, sir.
Me, as this one and the junior one.
Yes, sir.
Now me, they go there responsible.
Thank you, sir.
This our uncle we get school. Because of God, in the name of God, we are not saying take them for free, but pay special attention
to them.
Please, sir. You go tell our mama, Lolo, say this one's na special attention children them be. You understand, sir?
Honor present. See what me they complain about. Me, I know, even as that Agwanshe would there now, we don't they get issue with some people because they don't even say na cruise we want go catch they catch with people, but the issue we
catch cruise
we want to know. We have been trying to locate their people.
Okay, we go locate now. Okay, after sir. The location,
okay, sir.
See,
arrest my case, sir.
See,
thank you, sir.
Not be by force to use in school.
No problem, sir.
All this dodge way they dodge now, no make it. Make it they no carry the children go school in school. I say I go pay everything. Which right. One be this dodge where you they dodge?
Sorry, sir.
Other schools they we go carry them go. We talk say the investigation no go happen. Civilian DIG you don't call CP. Oh yeah, call them. Make we tell them make them carry people come. Make they carry police come. Go give a microphone quickly. We they look for solution, you they still they drag us back. Yeah?
What one of the people they talk, he's dodging. Maybe they made them feel like he want to make money from them.
And some of them are seeing it now that I'm from Anambra State and he's from Enugu State. These people are from Imo State.
Good morning, my composer.
I will get back to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
When I done they hear. That thing.
What me they complain. No be say me. Naturally, there are some people where they help they pay their school fees. Okay, but now the problem be this.
Make we appreciate. Before I close my mouth, now una hear confirmation. Yes, sir. Una hear.
Yes, sir.
This man now, why he won't come out in hand now? Because him from Anambra, then from Enugu. I don't know what I want to understand.
Imo State.
Imo State. He say somebody already done they raise that motion. Differences. Say I don't know what I want to understand. The yes, same person no fit follow to show love, but it's a bit criticized.
Yes, sir.
Kai. May God make it easy for us in this country.
Amen.
When they see human beings, when I been mentioned this thing before, I talk saying now love we need for East.
No, sir.
Once love begin to exist for Southeast, the progress will go happen. Now Southeast be Nigeria, London. No?
Yes.
Now Southeast be Nigeria, Japan, and China. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Which thing will they look for? The brain they there, the human, everything they there, apart from love. Not be on the lip side kind of love. Oh. Love will come from inside. Where you go see brother and brother, now fence divide them, but they are not in talking terms. You go see mansion here, you go see castle here, you go see road to those places scatter. One person get money to do tar road, but to do kolota, but if he try them, the other person go ask, when you make your money, when I make my first 100 million, where were you? It don't turn competition. For road will be access road. But as I talk now, they pay some people. But now the truth be that. My brothers, my sisters, una way carry them come.
Yes, sir.
We get Auntie Mariam. Yes, you go carry them, go open air. Okay, make we wait for the commissioner of police. Yes, thank you very much.
God bless you, sir.
The vigilante,
sir,
una office. For the good work we wanna do,
yes, sir.
I want to donate 100,000 naira.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Akikirichala ya buhe onyonyo. Gị onye ụwa onye na-egere akụkọ ụwa m, ịmara na etu esi eme ya. Deera ebumnuche gị otu isu ahụ ya bụ ihe nke ikiriri ugbu a na ngalaba okwu ka mara uche gị n'ihi na uche onye adịghị ya njọ. Daalụkwa gị na-eso eburu anyị sonye. Ekelekwa m gị wana asị gị jide ka iji. Onye asị ya jide ka o ji, ịmara na nke o ji kacha mma. Ekpere m bụ na Chineke nna ga na-anọnyere gị ọpụpụ gị na mbata gị na-etinyere gị aka n'ezi ihe niile nke na-eme gị taa ka bụkwa na mbụ ị na-ahụhụ onyonyo anyị asị gị nnọọ onye gị na ya ka nọkwa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa n'iru akwụkwọ efere mba ụwa. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ka m mere dị gị mma n'obi nwanne, biko ọ bụ na Facebook ọ na Instagram ka na akụkọ onyinye a pịara m follow, ọ bụ na YouTube ka na-ekiri ya bụ ihe onyinye pịara m subscribe, ya na mgbịrịgba anya n'akụkụ ka ime ike na-enweta ihe onyinye ndị ọzọ ga na-ewetara gị n'ọdịnihu. Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ, Igbo mụrụ nze mụ ọzọ, ekelekwa m unu bụ na-asị na ọ ga na-adịrị unu niile mma o. Ise ngwanụ tụsawara m ihe onyonyo a na-atụsara m ya bụ ihe onyonyo na-apịrị maka na share button. Ya maara gị mma ezigbo mmadụ. Udo dịrị unu.